So good morning everyone. Today we will see Drug and Poison Information Center. So Drug Information Center are referred to as DI. DI refer to the provision of unbiased, well reference and critically evaluated up-to-date information of any aspect of drug. So any drug which are using, if you are giving information about the drug with unbiased and well reference, then it will be called drug information. The information may be specific to the individual patient as integral part of pharmaceutical care or related to a group patient context of a disease management program. So the provision of drug information is among the most fundamental responsible for clinical pharmacists. So it is fundamentally responsible for all the clinical pharmacists who is work in the hospital. So DI service refer to the activities that are part of overall pharmaceutical service of pharmaceutical care process. So it will be also come under pharmaceutical care process. So drug information center. So drug information center refer to a specific facility that provide drug information to those who need it. So drug information center may be established in the hospital or in a institute where the information will be given to the patient or hospital or clinical staff regarding any drug. So again we will see the poison information. So what is poison? Refer to the special area drug information that provide information on the toxic effect of any extensive range of chemical including plant and animal toxin. So poison information center basically they are dealing with poison. Suppose a snake bite, so what should be management for that? And suppose a poison was taken by a patient, so what will be the management and how to identify that poison, that will be given by poison information center. These drugs handled by something by special center known as poison information center. So these special drugs who is doing the identification of poison, management of poison, it will be done by poison information center. So poison information center basically not available in India, but in foreign community it is very well practiced service. So refer to a center that especially in research, management and dissemination of toxicity information. So these are the service provided by the poison information center where they will give the management and definition of toxicity and information of toxicity of the drug. So poison information center need to operate 24 hours each day and it will be available 24 into 7 days. So anytime any poison case will become in a foreign hospital or any hospital, that poison information center will give the information regarding the poison he took and management antidote available on the facility of the hospital. So it also recommended the treatment of any potential poison, medication, chemical, household product or natural toxic. So type of drug information. So what are the type of drug information can be given? Therapeutics means any therapeutic related or management related information can be given. Adverse drug reaction, any unwanted reaction happen by any drug, that can be in that information can be provided by the drug information center. Doses and administration, so any critical condition of the patient, how much dose should be taken and how much should be administered to the patient, particular patient, that information can be given by drug information center. Or drug interaction, any unwanted drug interaction that cause lead to any serious side effect, that can be, what are the possible management for that side effect, that can be information can be given by drug information center. Use of drug in the pregnancy and lactation, so what are the drugs can be used in pregnancy and lactation, that information can be provided by poison drug information center. Drug pharmacokinetic or pharmaceutical stability also provided by poison drug information center. And drug availability, so what are the available drug available in the pharmacy store, that can be given by drug information center. So these type of information can be given by drug information center.